Shishemu bi abeto dwa se nei ECG adwumayefo bi ne mbambofo bi aka won ho abomu a meters no anka ban so oton amayekura be 800 Ghana cedi no kwabrane twama obi 2500 ti yehunu wo mu nyina Adom TV etwaso
Multimedia and Central Equity Nati NYS Ayunhwemu a ababede dwasa omanfo bi enam kwati kwan so a eton meters edeman kofo wabra obiara ema won kwan se woni sa adwuma no pani kwankyerefo a wada ECG adwumako na no Samuel Dubik edebetu dwase.
To be very honest with you, we do have scarcity of meters now. Under the loss reduction program, the meter manufacturing companies have made meters available. I can say on authority that we've installed almost more than 60,000 meters since the beginning of this year. There are meters to be installed. Please do not pay these exorbitant prices.
Ebra JoyNews nhwehwemuku eba ananko ECG atraye so ankasa wodi wani kohwe sede ohawi ekoso no won ekotu owura bia ne din ede Abraham ewo makola oya na dwene se obeton meter yi bi ede ama won Ghana cedi no MP2.
The last time the price, he said how much? The price, how much?
2,000.
This one, reduce it a little for me. How do you go about it? I give you 1,005 when I come for it, and I give you the balance.
Okay, no problem. I'm giving this one for someone.
Okay.
But the person also not ready now. Let me hold on. If who is ready, I'll give it to you.